Hello everyone. In our daily life, we use so many networks such as telephone networks, television networks, internet networks, etc. But have you ever thought how these networks really work? How does your computer connected with the internet? How your mobile phone call gets connected with the other person's phone? If you are curious to know about it, then this video is for you. In this video, we will learn about different types of communication protocols. Let's get started. A communication protocol is a set of rules that controls how data is exchanged between two or more devices. For example, IP or Internet Protocol is an important communication protocol. It is used for addressing network devices and forwarding data from one network to another. Protocols are like languages that computers use to communicate. Just as people who speak different languages can still communicate with each other by using a common language like English, similarly, computers with different operating systems can communicate with each other by using common protocols like IP. Now, let's talk about connection media. Connection media is simply the means of carrying the message from the sender to the receiver. It is broadly classified into two types, wired and wireless. Wired medium, it is also called guided medium. In this type of connection, a physical cable is used to carry the signal from one end device to another. This type of connection offers more security, has less latency, and greater reliability as compared to wireless medium. Examples of wired medium are copper cables and fiber optic cables. The most common copper cable used in networks today is unshielded twisted pair cable, UTP for short. All Ethernet cables used in home and office networks are UTP cables. UTP stands for unshielded twisted pair. These cables use electric signal to transmit message. Each UTP cable consists of 8 tiny copper wires, each wire capable of transmitting data at 10 gigabits per second. These 8 wires are twisted around each other to reduce the amount of electromagnetic interference, which can affect the quality of the signal. UTP cable is inexpensive, easy to install, and can be used to connect devices over distances of up to 100 meters. Although the maximum recommended length of a UTP cable is 100 meters, most networking devices can only communicate reliably over distances of up to 35 meters. Fiber optic cable, it uses light to transmit signal and is much faster than copper cable. It is also thinner and more durable than copper cable. Most importantly, signals transmitted through fiber optic cables are not affected by electromagnetic interference. This makes fiber optic cables ideal for mission-critical applications where high-quality connections are required. They are also used in long-distance communication as they can transmit signal over a distance of 1,800 meters. Fiber optic cables are broadly classified into two categories: multi-mode and single-mode. Wireless medium, it is also referred to as unguided media or unbounded transmission media. Wireless communication uses radio waves, microwaves, or infrared to send data without the need for cables or wires. Wireless connections offer more mobility and are easier to set up than wired connections. Examples of wireless medium are Wi-Fi, radio waves, satellite communications, cellular networks, etc. Most of the wireless technologies are based on the transmission of electromagnetic waves through the air. Electromagnetic waves are categorized into different bands based on their frequency and wavelength. Different bands have different properties and can be used for different purposes. The most commonly used bands for wireless communication are low frequency, very high frequency, ultra high frequency, and millimeter wave. Low frequency radio waves have long wavelengths and can travel long distances. Very high frequency and ultra high frequency radio waves are used for local area networks, LANs, and satellite communications. Millimeter waves have very short wavelengths and are used for high-speed, short-range applications such as 5 cellular networks and wireless local area networks. So this was all about connection media. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Comment down below if you have any questions regarding this topic. Subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you and have a nice day.